Good morning everyone. My name is Ansh Kumar. Today's experiment is air occupies space. For this experiment
we
need paper, water and glass. Take the paper, crumble it and put it in the glass.
Good. Dip the glass in water.
Dip the glass in the water.
Take it out.
Take it out.
Remove the paper.
Remove the paper. You can see paper is dry because glass was filled with air.
It means
air occupies space.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, Namaste. My name is Abhyuday Dubey from class 1st Gamma. Today we are learning density of water. We take 2 lemon, 2 glass of water and salt. Put lemon in this glass. See, this is shrinking. Why? Because water density is less than lemon density. Put salt in this glass and mix it properly. And put lemon in this glass. See, this is floating. Why? Because water density is greater than lemon density. Thank you. Seed germination. We take 2 bowls with soil. We add some seeds. We pour water. 1 bowl put in sunlight and 1 bowl put in darkness. Sometimes later, this seed has grown and this seed has not grown because this part we put in a sunlight and this part we put in a darkness. Conclusion of experiment: without sunlight plants will not grow because plants make their foods in presence of sunlight. My name is Jigyansh.
So Jigyansh, what are you going to do?
Science experiment.
What kind of science experiment it is about?
Brainstorm in a glass.
What do you need for that?
Food color, snow spray, glass in the water, bowl.
How will it happen? So how does it work? Clouds in the sky hold water. They can hold millions of liters of water. Eventually, when they get heavy and saturated with water, they can't hold more water. When they get heavy, the water falls as rain, snow or hail. In this experiment, the layer of shaving cream is the cloud. Shaving cream can hold water. When it gets heavy, it comes down as rain.
I am Manan Kothari from class 1 Beta. I am doing project to air. Conclusion. Air need water. Oxygen to run.
Air and oxygen to burn.
Air need oxygen to burn.
As air
increases,
increases
the water
water rises.
The water rises up.